Maintaining good health is essential for leading a fulfilling life. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to achieving optimal health, incorporating certain daily habits can significantly contribute to your overall well-being. In this video, we will discuss 7 key practices that individuals can embrace every day to enhance their physical and mental health. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you can take significant strides towards achieving good health and vitality. Number 1. Prioritize physical activity. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining good health. Engaging in at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise each day can offer numerous benefits, such as improved cardiovascular health, weight management, enhanced mood, and increased energy levels. Incorporate activities you enjoy, such as walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing, to make exercise an enjoyable part of your daily routine. Number 2. Follow a balanced diet. A well-balanced diet is the foundation of good health. Consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and beverages high in added sugars. Hydration is equally important, so aim to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning optimally. Number 3. Get sufficient sleep. Adequate sleep is often underestimated, but plays a vital role in maintaining good health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Minimize exposure to electronic devices before sleep, and ensure your sleeping environment is comfortable, quiet, and dark. Number 4. Practice stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact your health. Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine to promote relaxation and overall well-being. This may include deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, journaling, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Taking breaks throughout the day, practicing mindfulness, and seeking social support can also help alleviate stress and promote mental health. Number 5. Cultivate healthy relationships. Nurturing positive relationships is crucial for good health. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family members who uplift and inspire you. Engage in meaningful conversations, spend quality time with loved ones, and seek emotional support when needed. Building and maintaining healthy relationships can enhance your mental and emotional well-being, reducing the risk of loneliness and promoting a sense of belonging. Number 6. Prioritize mental stimulation. Keeping your mind active and engaged is vital for cognitive health. Engage in activities that stimulate your brain, such as reading, solving puzzles, learning a new skill or language, or playing strategic games. Continuous mental stimulation can improve memory, concentration, and overall brain function, helping to reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Number 7. Practice self-care. Self-care is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being. Take time each day to nurture yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. This may include activities like taking a relaxing bath, practicing self-reflection, indulging in a hobby, or engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By prioritizing self-care, you can reduce stress levels, enhance self-esteem, and cultivate a positive outlook on life. Achieving good health is a lifelong journey, and it begins with small daily habits that promote well-being. By incorporating these 7 practices into your routine, prioritizing physical activity, following a balanced diet, getting sufficient sleep, practicing stress management, cultivating healthy relationships, prioritizing mental stimulation, and practicing self-care, you can lay a strong foundation for optimal health. Remember, consistency is key, so start gradually and build upon these habits over time.